Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see.
What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing the hot sauce challenge, okay? So I have this hot sauce challenge. Book of Pleasure and Pain contains 12 bottles of hot sauce, okay? That's the inside. So I guess the object is to try and complete each one till you get up to 12. So we're gonna try that, and I have some fried chicken from Publix, a Perrier to drink. So if you're new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So hey y'all, hey, what's up? So we're gonna try this challenge, y'all. Real quick. KIONA's in there making deviled eggs, so she may be bringing me one at any time. So let's just jump straight into it. I ain't read none of the stuff. I think that's the only thing you have to do. Oh, these are just like the nutrition facts on each sauce. And I'll tell you the name of each sauce. Alright, so the first one. Oh, I should have poured my drink. First, let me just eat one chicken first, just in case. Just in case it's too hot to eat, okay? They got some crunchy chicken. Oh, it's still hot. I ain't gonna lie, I sure wanted some lemon pepper wings, but I ain't want to waste them on this with this hot sauce. Alright, the first one is called You're Baking Me Crazy. Let's just see. We just trying something, honey. You're baking me crazy. Let me know if y'all tried these hot sauces before. And how far do you think I'll get out of 12? Drop it down below. You think I'll complete all 12? Because I'm only going to put a dab on there and taste it. This one's supposed to be mild, so let's see how it tastes. Ooh, I don't mean to put that much. That's it right now. I don't like the flavor. Yeah, that's got a little spice, like a little kick to it. But I don't like the flavor of it. Alright, that's one. This one is called Chili Lime. And this is like a jalapeno flavor, I guess. Let's see. I'm gonna move this down just a little bit. Give me a flat. May I have a flat, please? And then I'll put y'all a piece right there. Let me see. I like the flavor better. That one's not hot. That's a little kick. It's better than that first one. Yeah, you can taste the chili lime in that one. All right, so this one, number 3. Did you put down how far you thought I was gonna get? This one is sriracha. Okay. All right. Oh, this one thick. Thank you, baby. You could have put on. You could take your plate back. You could let it leave right there. Appreciate you. Girl, this thick. Oh, this might be hot, hot. Look at that. I might have put too much on that one. I don't like the flavors. I hope the flavors get better. All right, this is Cajun. This is number 4. Maybe they'll start turning up at the end. Let me eat my well, let's do 4 first, because you know they comes in trays of 4, okay? And no, they're not hot yet. This one is a little thinner, okay. No, don't worry about it. Let's eat a double egg, call. Now the last one is called Spontaneous Combustion. That one might be really, really hot. Number 12 is supposed to be really hot. So let's eat these deviled eggs. So listen. Thank y'all so much for watching the video yesterday. I really appreciate it. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. For me. I don't know about for y'all. But it wasn't that bad. It wasn't bad. Shout out to everybody that was on the Casamigos. I didn't know a lot of people drink it. And I guess immediately as soon as y'all saw the bottle, y'all was like, oh yeah, that's it there. So if you want a smooth tequila, oh excuse me, if you want a smooth tequila, definitely try the Casamigos. We first found out about it at the Cantina Laredo, right babe?
No.
Where we learned about Casamigos? In Mexico?
No, I learned about it while reading about Rowe.
Oh, okay. So we went to a tequila tasting at Cantina Laredo. And they had all 3 flavors there. Did you buy all 3 flavors at once?
Yeah.
My favorite is Blanco. Kit favorite is Reposado and Añejo.
Yeah.
So, if y'all want a really smooth tequila, all 3 flavors, I think you should try Casamigos. And if you do, let me know. And to all the ladies, I mean everybody, not just ladies, to all the people that was like, girl, that's my drink, it's smooth. Girl, that's the only way I probably got through that. It's really good. I can't wait till they do another tasting. Because the bartender we had doing that tasting, ooh, he makes some really good drinks. Nice variety. And you don't get that burn in your throat or that burn in your chest. You don't get all that. You ain't got to worry about no hangovers. You sleep very well. Probably better than ever if you ask me. But yeah, just try it. If tequila is your thing. If it, you know, even if it's not, you should just try it. I don't like Patron. So that's just on that. All right, this is number 5, y'all. Girl, this ain't it. This is the original hot sauce with habanero pepper, okay? The smell is still off to me. Let me get this one right here. Oh, God, dog. Why did I can't even put it back in there. I'm gonna just put it down here. That's just too much on there. Now, the taste is better on that one. That's number 5. But that's not hot. Oh, I could have just used what's down here. Yeah, the taste is better, but that ain't really hot. Okay, now this one, number 6, is wasabi, made with habanero pepper. Child, this is a hot mess. I don't know why I wanted to be so hot so fast. I gotta go up to number 12, you know? Calm down, boo. Alright. Okay, that smells a little bit hotter. Okay. And it's thinner. The color on it is like a dark barbecue sauce looking thing. What's that? Okay. Okay. Okay, now we getting a little hotter. Okay. Okay. I might have been talking too much trash. Hold on. Okay. And the flavor's a little better on that one too. Okay, got a little sting on it. You know what I mean? Now we getting to the hot flavors, okay? Because I'm just about to say. So we're on 6. Alright, so number 1 was You're Baking Me Crazy. Number 2 was chili lime hot sauce. Number 3 was sriracha hot sauce. Ooh, don't touch your face. Number 4 was Cajun hot sauce. And number 5 was original hot sauce. I mean, number 5 was original hot sauce, and number 6 was wasabi hot sauce. So number 6, it had a little heat to it. Now we about to get into the hot, okay? All right. Did y'all put how far you think I was gonna go? Woo, okay. Okay. All right, now things are getting cute. Okay, it's getting cute. Number 7. Vampires Hate It. Roasted garlic hot sauce. I started to use some seafood for this, but I was like, girl, no, we ain't about to waste no seafood with it here. Don't be crazy. All right. Okay. Pace yourself. Y'all know I'm looking for a wing. Why you just saying yes for all wings when you went? I would just went in there and grabbed the thing. Okay, okay. Sorry about that, y'all. All right, come on. This is 7. It's not that hot. But I kind of like the flavor. Roasted garlic. Just like our regular light hot sauces. But it is hotter than the other ones. But it's not bad. Y'all still with me? Okay. No, that was not bad. Okay. This says habanero hot sauce from Rowe. Okay. The world's hottest hot sauce. Beyond hot. This number 8. It's called hot sauce from. Okay. We'll just say hot sauce from down under, because you know you have to be careful, be mindful. Oh, we jumped, didn't we? I'm put it on. So I put it on here. It's thin. They got a little recipe on the back to cook some eggs. That ain't hard. Child. I don't know what we done got ourselves into. It tastes like Tabasco sauce. I mean, Tabasco hot sauce. All right, we're on the last 4. We might as well eat a double egg. I think they've tried us. They played with us. Don't worry about this. Let me try the last 4 first. Y'all these double eggs good, girl. Yeah. I haven't found anything that's I'll be like, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this one is number 9. Ghost pepper hot, no, I'm lying. Devil's Revenge. So hot sauce from down under, Devil's Revenge. And it better be hot. Like, come on. Like, come on. Uh-oh. Made with 1,000,000 Scoville. Extremely hot. Use sparingly. Avoid contacting eyes and other sensitive areas. Okay, this one might be that. This might be it right here. This might be it, y'all. Woo! Okay, that's how much I put on there. Whoa! Let me just, okay. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. Okay. That one is a little hot. Okay. I give him that one. That one was a little hot. Okay. 9. Okay. Y'all put a little something on your tongue right there. Okay. Devil's Revenge, okay? Now we got ghost pepper. This just ghost pepper hot sauce. Yeah, the other one got a little kick to it. I bet some of y'all were trying to be funny tonight. She can't get past 1. Be cute if you want to. Oh, they done changed the color on this bad boy. It's yellow. You ready? Come on. It's thin. Let me just peel this off because I don't want to get on my lips and look hot. Got a little kick on that one. Yep. All right, number 11. All right. It's called Behind Blaster. It's Blaster, okay? I guess it's supposed to be it here. My sinus is getting clear. Woo! Might just do a day. Oh, too late. Got to mighty know. Hold on. That one ain't hot at all. I shook it up. Girl. Last one. Spontaneous combustion. I don't know if they try to cool you off with that number 11 because that ain't hot. And then when you pass this one, you survived the hot sauce challenge. Congratulations. I know you lying. If y'all don't save y'all money. Now my mouth is hot, but I'm just saying it ain't like the lollipop or nothing like that. I just put it on here. Look, it's thin. Look like regular hot sauce. Hot sauce. Let me just pinch that off. Ooh, did I get on my eye? Oh, that scared me. You saw that? Child, it's worse than that gummy thing I bought. It ain't hot. It's hot, but you know what I'm saying? I'm glad I ain't waiting for my king crab on there. Let me know if you tried these. Because they're not hot. I mean, they hot, but they're not like... Child, don't waste your money. Alright. So that was the hot sauce challenge. If I do another hot sauce challenge, I have to buy the hot sauces individually. Like the bomb and all of them. A lot of y'all asked me to try the bomb. Now it got a little kick to it now. At the end. Maybe it heat up later, you know. Maybe got a delayed reaction. Hold on. Okay, wait a minute now. It still ain't hot, but I think that one had a delayed reaction. Okay, yeah, that last one got a little delayed reaction, but it still ain't like crazy. So anyway, like I said, thank y'all so much for joining me. Watching the video yesterday. I really appreciate it. I appreciate everybody asked the questions. Oh, shout out to it was 3 people that told me about Jada. When I tell y'all I was up last night watching her, she's good. She is good. When I tell you I watched that, but I didn't know you could just, you know, put the goodies on display like that. So it's okay. I was like, wait a minute. I mean, even though it's like, you know, she's providing a service, but I didn't know you could just put it out there like that. Like, I was like, okay. But yeah, when she was picking that stuff out, I was like, oh yeah, she is good. She is good. And the girl said, thank me later. Thank you. I tried to go back and find your comment, but I couldn't find it. But yeah, 2 people, I think it was 2 or 3 people that told me about Jada. And you said y'all wasn't even grossed out. Y'all was like, okay, bet. You like that kind of stuff? I got you. That was like so perfect. I got you. Don't worry about it. Everybody ain't gonna understand that, but I got you. I was like, oh my God, y'all so cool. Y'all awesome. So that was good. And yes, I stayed up. I watched several episodes, okay? I think the blackheads are my favorite, and I don't know. She's really good though. She seems so down to earth and like, and then her baby. Did y'all hear the little baby? I think her name was Abby. When she's like in the background, I think her name was Abby. I hope I didn't get it wrong. And she's like, she was like, oh, I don't like that one. Oh, I like that one. That's a good one. I was like, OMG. But yeah. So yeah, the hot sauce challenge was cool, y'all. But they're not hot. They didn't give us a real like challenge. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we on a whole different level with the spices now. You gotta come better than that. So thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.